everybody, welcome back to Coffee Sometimes Tea with Marcelo and Jen. All right, so if you've been following our series, we've been discussing elevator pitches for our companies that our clients with their companies coming to us and asking for a quick elevator pitch, going into doing a presentation by using two of our favorite apps. Obviously, ChatGPT 4 is what we use. $20, pay it. It's worth it. And then Gamma. This is an app that we use to generate. It's an AI tool that we generate power presentations. So let's go ahead and start with Pitch Perfect. It's Jen developed it. It's a creates clear, engaging business elevator pitches. So go ahead and create a pitch for small business, right? So it's going to ask you here, small business, want some more stuff. Okay, well, it's asking, what is it? So let's go ahead and put auto body shop. Right? Hit enter. So let's see, vehicle. That's a little bit long. So let's jump in to do a shorter version. Transform your car at our auto body shop where every repair is a masterpiece. It's not too bad. Let's do 3 variations. Actually, let's throw for a spin. Give me C, a little more catchy. Driveway dazzled where your car comes back, where your car's comeback story begins. I like that one. So we're going to keep that one actually. So let's go ahead and hit E for no more adjustments. And we are going to keep that one. Okay, Control C. Now, let's go ahead and jump into our creator. So here's where you're going to describe what you want to make. So it's a presentation for my auto body repair shop, right? And then hit enter and it's going to generate your outline for you. Okay, so the intro all the way through down to contact information, right? So here you want to click, on semicolons and add the elevator pitch that you decided you were going to use, right? Oops, I got rid of that. Give me a second. Okay, cool. All right, so let's go ahead and we're going to do 8 cards. Well, do 10 if you like. Let's see. Do we jump into 10? Let's see. And we're going to generate the images, web images, but we need to change this to free to use. So let's go ahead and continue. And it's going to go next into the layout. What layers do we want to pick? Let's go ahead and grab a clean, this one here, and then go ahead and hit generate. And as it starts generating, there you go. Look at that. Introduction to our auto body shop. See, this is awesome. Okay, go in here. We change this to coffee. Sometimes tea. See, and look how quick it rolls right through. Some killer pictures, guys. Some great pictures. Look at the services we offer. And if you want to change the background, you can change everything here. Change out the layout of the card. I like these layouts here so you can add picture to it. So here, let's go grab, okay, web, and we're going to do here, free to use, and then this is services, right? So auto body repair shop. Okay, we use this, but we're gonna. That's perfect, actually. Look at that, perfect. So collision repair, paint jobs, and then here, what we're gonna do is we need to get rid of that guy, obviously, because it's copyright. Let's do equipment. So all images will go to free to commercial or free to use. And in here, we're going to put Panic tools. right? And we'll click that there. Cool deal. Hit that. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to pause this really quick so we can get, again, don't want you guys to get bored of me entering pictures and everything. So I'll be right back. So welcome back, everybody. So I'm going to go ahead and show you this really quick, how it did an introduction to our auto body repair shop, team of experts, technicians, services that we offer, examples, competitive pricing, okay? And then I'm going to go ahead and jump right into the presentation. See how cool this looks. So look at this, guys. Look how professional this is, right? Our team of experts, services we offer, technology, examples of our work. So, you can get up there and here's, you could change, you could change all that information in here, but I mean, look how clean that is. So this is another form of gaining new clients, or if you're going to, actually, if you're going out to get some credit too, guys, this is something you could bring to the banks with you and say, hey, this is an introduction to our auto body shop. They take a look at it and go from there. But again, very simple to make with Gamma, and that's who we use. Gamma.app is the software that we use for that. Now, we're going to be holding we're going to be opening up a free school community to where we want you to come on down, join us, hang out with us for over a cup of Joe, or chat about AI and tools, or just chat about life in there. It's your safe place is what we call it. It's a free community. We're going to be doing a live session one night a week on different things, how to use ChatGPT properly, how to dive deeper into doing presentations and all that. So feel free, come join us, click on that link below, and smash that like button, by the way. All right, everybody, you guys have a good night. Thanks for hanging out.